Good morning, children. Today we are learning new topic. So you know maths. Maths everyone knows because you are doing first to fifth, first to tenth, and BTech Inter. You are doing the maths subjects. Now I am teaching you 1 to 5th. You are learning abacus. Abacus you are learning easy calculations. Here you are learning Vedic maths. So what is Vedic? Vedas come from Vedas. You know Vedas, 4 types of Vedas there. Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda, Rig Veda. So this Vedas here is invited Sri Bharati Krishna Pita Maharaj is invited Vedic maths. So in this Vedic maths we are learning how to do the easy calculations. Because we are doing the multiplication, we are taking more time. So now first we learn the 10-point circle. So 10-point circle means how to do the calculations we learn easily. So now we are learning 10-point circle. So draw a circle everyone and write the numbers 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are now taking the pairs. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So 10 pair is 1 plus 9. So when we are getting the 9 number, we are using 1 number here. So now next 8 plus 2 equal to or 2 plus 8 is 10. Next 3 plus 7 is 10. Next 4 plus 6 is 10. Next 5 plus 5 is 10. So here these are pairs. Now we are using pairs for dot method, addition, subtractions. Wherever we are doing multiplication also we are using the pairs. Now I am explaining first method is addition. So we are calling joining pairs. So in this Vedic maths we have some different types of names. So for the dot method additions, so Purana Puranebhyam Sutraha. We are calling the dot method addition is Purana Puranebhyam Sutraha. Now and we are calling in the English joining pairs. Joining pairs we are calling Purana Puranebhyam Sutraha. Now easily I will do first, I will give the single by single digits. Now 9 plus 9. So we know the 18. But when we are doing the now carrying, everything we don't use here. So 9 plus 9 you can use dot. Dot means 10 place. So dot on the left side you keep the dot and write 8 and 1 place dot place is 1. 18. So you can use this method, you will get easily directly you can do the calculation within 1 minute. Now I am using 2 numbers. 18 plus 9. So what is 18 plus 9? 9 plus 9 is 18. So now 9 plus 8 is 17. Because we learn the pairs. Pair we can learn easily, we can get this. So 17, keep the left side dot and 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. Otherwise, you can keep the right one. You will get that easily this. So now I am using 3 numbers 18, 21, 66, 77. Now 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is dot 5, 5 plus 7 is dot 2. So these 2 dots you have to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus 6 dot 11, 1 plus 7, 8. So 8. How many dots here? How many rights here? 1. So 1. We can easily disjoin the pairs. Whenever we are doing the when we are doing the additions, we will get the more time. So now we can't do directly. Here we are doing fastly. Whenever you more practice, you will get this easily. You will calculate in your mind. So 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6 is dot 5. You have to calculate in the your mind. So when you are calculating, first you have to learn 2 plus 2 how much, 3 plus 3 how much, 2 plus 3 how much. So randomly you have to learn this up to 9. Okay, when you learn this up to 9 plus 9, 8 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, 8 plus 9 is 17. If anyone asks randomly, if anyone come number is 8 plus 9, when then you have to write dot 7. Directly you can write this answer. So when you learn this base, easily you will get this idea.